Hello, welcome to Retro for You. Today we've got this package. Is it retro or is it something else? Looks to me like a drugs package. Anyway, this is bought from Cash Converters. It was sold as faulty. To me it looks like it should be bobbing on the sea somewhere or attached to a ship side. So we open this, white powder comes out, I'm stopping the video. So keep on watching to find out what's inside. Okay, so now we're going to open this up. A Nintendo 64 with could be everything. Well, we've got the console. There you go. Which you can see is not. Oh, can you hear that? It's like a baby battle. And that's obviously the price. I don't know how much it was. Oh, there you go. It's broken. That looks to me like it's got broken in transit. Yeah, you can see there the cracked plastic inside. So I'm gonna have to take some pictures of this anyway and claim off Cash Converters because obviously they've not mentioned that. It's full of plastic. Okay, here we have the power supply. We may as well test it anyway, now we're here. An AV lead, which looks like an aftermarket one. As you say, it doesn't say Nintendo on there. And one controller. It's a shame about that because I was quite excited to get this. There you go, no rumble pack. One controller. What we can do, we've got another box here because obviously I've not had a Nintendo before, so we'll open this up. And here we should have, it's in an Amazon box. Oh look, like Christmas, look, Christmas time, mistletoe and wine. There you go. Diddy Kong Racing. Now it says game complete. I'm hoping this game is inside. It's like someone's been eating the box here in the corner. So let's have a look inside. And there you go. Diddy Kong Racing. And a nice set of instructions with all a bit wrinkly on the front. So we have a game for testing. Should we do the old blow method? You never know. So, I'm going to plug this up. Now, it was sold as no power, but as you lot probably saw then, what's that? There's a power light. So, let's turn on the TV. Just move this up a bit so you can see. And we're on AV. So we'll just turn this off. Lucky blow. Put it in the game. Show it on. Oh, there you go. This is sold as non-working spares right there. It's a shame about the broken case. Obviously, maybe they had a faulty game. But there's a bit of cash converters for you. Obviously I'm going to contact them about the broken case. Maybe get a bit of money back. I'm still going to strip this down in another video. But if you see there, controller not connected, it says. That's that port. Looks like the controller's faulty. Or it doesn't recognise controllers. Try again. There you go, it works. So just, again. I've never played this before, so don't laugh at me. Do I know what I'm doing? No, I'm just clicking the button. So, there you go. One faulty N64 that seems to be the only problem at the moment is it needs to strip down a clean. Maybe clean the cartridge port, but at the moment it's all working. Can't really complain, apart from obviously the broken plastic, which should never happen. It's a shame they didn't package it properly in a box. But I presume that's how it's got broken. Obviously these couriers don't care, and they just bash these things. As you can tell, I've never played Diddy Kong Racing before. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm sort of floating across the ocean. Or it's saying I can't go there. Do I need to go back? Does anyone know how to play this? Give me any hints? Well, we'll do another video, like I said, of cleaning this out. We will see where we go. I've no idea what I'm doing. No idea at all. Is this somewhere? Ah, there you go, number 1. Yeah, I've done something. Fossil Canyon. So I guess this is like Mario Kart, I guess, but with Diddy Kong. Yeah. It's very like Mario Kart. I always found the controllers strange on these N64s. Yeah, I can't play it. But that's it. It's just a quick video to show you what the future projects are going to look like. And this obviously is another one. So, thanks for watching. And if you're here for the first time, please like and subscribe. And I will see you guys next video.